Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla hubcaps. First, park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Wear gloves and safety glasses before touching the wheels. Gather a flat pry tool, soft cloth, and rubber mallet. Work slowly around the hubcap perimeter, prying gently and equalizing pressure. Keep the hubcap face up to avoid scratching paint. Store removed hubcaps on a soft surface for inspection. In this video, I will explain how to remove Tesla hubcaps. Start by laying out your tools within easy reach. Inspect the hubcap for locking tabs or center caps before you begin. Use a plastic trim tool to carefully pry at the tab gaps and work around the circle. If a hubcap resists, tap gently with a rubber mallet after patting with a cloth. Keep parts organized and avoid forcing anything. In this video, I will review how to remove Tesla hubcaps. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you work, and the Owala water bottle makes it easy and spill-resistant. It holds a useful amount, fits cup holders, and has a leak-proof lid that's great during outdoor jobs. If you like helpful gear tips, please subscribe and like this video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help remove Tesla hubcaps correctly. Begin by locating the retaining clips around the hubcap edge and insert your trim tool into the first gap. Pry gently and move to the next clip, repeating until the hubcap pops free. Support the hubcap with your hand as it releases to prevent dropping. If clips feel stuck, work evenly and avoid sharp tools. Inspect the wheel and hubcap for any damage before storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.